I asked AI to improve the graphics in my Godot game, and here's what happened. This is what the game looks like right now. Gray background, gray walls. The main character is just a white square, and it's being attacked by red enemies. Everything looks boring, and honestly not much like a real game. Can AI turn this into a masterpiece? Or at least something that actually looks like a game? The idea of the game is pretty simple. You have to defend your castle from waves of enemies. So let's put that into our prompt. Gemini completely misunderstood what I meant and generated some random screenshot from a random game. But honestly, I kinda liked the style. So I asked it to give me prompts for generating textures in that same art style. And the prompts actually looked pretty good. Looks like Gemini finally understood what we're going for. Now let's jump into an AI image generator and test the first prompt. The walls. I actually like what it came up with. Let's download both versions and figure out which one works better later. While that's generating, let's start working on the roof textures. I'm trying to match the generated textures somehow. Of course, Photoshop had to make an appearance. Just a little cropping and cleanup. Meanwhile, we're generating the background. This was the first result. Not bad, but not quite there yet. Then came the second version. Yeah, that's way better. At this point, I decided to improve the textures even more using ChatGPT. And somehow we ended up with this nice looking 3D roof texture. Next, it was time to create the player character. And that's where everything started going wrong. Nothing was turning out the way I wanted. So instead, I used the same trick from the roof texture and applied it to the walls. After that, I added a blur effect to the background in Photoshop. I like it a lot more this way. The background grabs less attention, and it's much easier on the eyes. As for the character, every attempt was a disaster. And since I also needed to animate it, yeah, I wasn't in the mood for that. So I decided to save it for another day. We'll finish the character and improve the game even more in the next video. But for now, take a look at what we've managed to create. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and subscribe so you don't miss part 2.